The Xytronic LF-389D mini soldering station is a compact and efficient tool, perfect for precision soldering tasks. With a power output of 60 watts, this soldering station provides ample heat for various soldering projects. It boasts a wide temperature range from 302 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating different soldering needs. The station's small dimensions of 4.1 inches in width, 3.5 inches in height, and 3.5 inches in depth make it ideal for limited workspace environments. Xytronic Industries has designed this model with user convenience in mind, featuring easy-to-use controls that suit both beginners and experienced users. The soldering station is built with quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance.